Hi guys, here's how to make the glass morphism effect in Photoshop. First, go to the Shapes tool and create a rectangle shape. Adjust the size as you like, remove the stroke, set it to 0, and choose a white color for the fill. Now, open the blending options and note these stroke settings. Then go to Inner Shadow, adjust the settings to give it a soft depth. After that, go to Drop Shadow and note those settings as well. Next, make a copy of your background layer. Then drag that copied layer to the top of all layers. Convert that background copy into a smart object. Now, go to Filter Blur Gaussian Blur and set the radius around 8.0. Then, make it a clipping mask to the rectangle shape layer. Now, select both the rectangle 1 layer and the top blurred layer by holding Shift, and attach them together. Finally, select the Move tool. And now you can freely move your glass morphism element around the design. And that's it, your glass morphism effect is ready.